Hi, my name is Stephanie Mangino, and I'm editor of our Squidoo magazines. Our magazines include So Crafty and Cozy. So Crafty is all about crafts, and Cozy is about home decor with a DIY twist. Both of these magazines are great places to use our how-to format. Margaret Schindel, one of our lens masters here, used the how-to format to create this excellent tutorial on making her Romantic Queen of Hearts earrings project. She decided to save it in So Crafty. Thank you, Margaret. And this is what it looks like. It has a large photo, some great description to introduce everything. You see how long it takes to make this project, if it's easy or hard, how much it should cost, and then step-by-step instructions. With materials over at the side, you see exactly what you need. Same with tools, right there. And as you go through the steps, with photos along the way, you see exactly what you need to do. And lo and behold, at the end, there are your earrings. So let's see what Margaret did to create this. It's really pretty simple. To get started, all you have to do is type in this URL, www.squidoo.com/new/how-to-format. If you're signed into Squidoo, you're going to see this page. If you're not, no worries. Go ahead and sign in through Facebook or Twitter or however you prefer to do it. You can also do it manually. Or if you don't have a Squidoo account yet, just create one. It's super easy. Go to squidoo.com, go in through Facebook or Twitter, like I just said, or you can sign up however you like. You can sign up in a manual way. And then type in the URL when you're finished, and you'll get this page. Click Get Started. And it's just as easy as filling in these blocks. Seriously. You need to describe what you're going to do. That's pretty simple, right? You need to write at least 25 words about it, and that's not too hard to do. Then look down here at the bottom, how-to stats. You can enter in the total time it's going to take to make this, the difficulty level, not applicable, easy, medium, or hard, and how much you think it's going to cost to make whatever you're telling somebody how to make. On Margaret's how-to, she did a really nice introduction. She decided to take advantage of some of our text features too. She bolded and really focused on certain words like a beaded jewelry project to just make that stand out. Elegant earrings, unique gift, all that good stuff. And then she used the how-to stats. She put in the total time, that this is an easy project, and then she noted that the cost varies depending on the kind of bead you want to use. So that's that. And then on her how-to, this is where all that information shows up. Here's the description. And here's all that how-to information. 20 to 60 minutes, easy, varies. Then you'll also note here, underneath how-to stats, you get a prompt. You need to add an image. Okay, I need to add an image. Well, just click over on the image tab right there. And you can choose a photo to the left with text wrapping around to the right, a large picture in the center, or a picture to the right with text wrapping around to the left. Margaret chose a big picture in the middle. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. Then you just move ahead after you upload that photo and perhaps give it a label if you like. Go on over to materials. Enter in one per line, just as this says. Tools, same there. And Margaret's piece, on her finished lens, this is where you see that information. Materials, down in the sidebar, and tools. Then you just move on over to the heart of things, which are the steps. So here's step 1, and to add additional steps, to get all of those step 2, step 3, step 4s, all the way up through step 21, all you have to do is click Add Step. Margaret here has chosen to have a photo accompany each step. You don't have to do that. If you don't have photos for each step, if you don't have photos for any steps, you don't have to add photos. You just need to have the steps of your project. So that's pretty simple. I'm canceling out of this because I don't want to change anything in Margaret's piece. Then, when you're finished with all of that, you're going to see this is your workshop in Squidoo. And then you can also add a shopping list if you so desire. This is an Amazon module, as you can see. To create that, all you do is hit Add Content. You'll click on Amazon, and then you can put in your information. When you're also getting ready to publish your piece, you choose topics. She chose jewelry making, which you get an option to go into the magazines if you're in topic areas that feed into the magazines. Jewelry making is in arts and design on Squidoo, and jewelry making in arts and design can naturally go into So Crafty. So if you want it to stay there, you just go, okay, I'm going to keep it in So Crafty, and you move on. You also have the option to opt out if you so desire. And then when you're ready, then you hit publish. And when you hit publish, here's your finished product. An excellent how-to, a great photo at the beginning, excellent description, steps, materials, tools, even a shopping list. At some point in the process, you will be prompted to give this a title. And just go ahead and do that. You're going to see it in exactly the same kind of box that you've seen everything else in. And we cannot wait to see what sort of projects you create here on Squidoo. Thank you so much for your time. Happy how-toing.